Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Brevity Devlog. This week, as usual, we got quite a bit done. As you may see, I'm not in the launcher. That is because there's nothing new in the launcher. But anyways, we are in the main menu, which, by the way, is going to be changed a lot, in case you heard. So, when we launch it now, the first thing you'll hopefully notice, if you follow these devlogs, is there's a new map. I want to start a thing where every week I create a new map for every devlog. This is the first week. I'm not going to show you too much because, actually, you know what? Never mind. I also created a whole bunch of NPCs. So there's this one right here, Gonjorn. I don't know. I just made those names up randomly. Sorry. I want to ride one of my boats. Yes, next week I will have complete boat support done. Anyways, then there should be another one up here for a battle. I'm not going to do that right now because there's nothing new actually inside the battles. There's one guy right here. It's my favorite spot to sit and watch the ocean. And then there's one more which I'll let my testers find out themselves. So if you want to become a tester to find all that stuff, remember link in no, actually not the link. The instructions to do that are down in the description below. As well as this week I got feeding dragons done. So if you go into the dragon menu here, you'll see this very work in progress thing here. This was moved over to make room for this, and if we press on this, as you can see, ignore that please, it gives us a cool little menu where it displays the XP that item gives and the amount that you have. So pretty much you click on those and it adds the amount of XP to your already obtained XP. So we can do this. There's a little bug where after you level up, the green bar doesn't appear anymore, which is a weird one, but I'll definitely look into that. So we can just give them a whole bunch of fruit because that's what is very good for dragons to eat. Anyways, so that's that. As well as I completely redid the move description system. It doesn't look a lot different, but pretty much now it's dynamic. So what that means is when you level up a move, right before it was just showing pretty much a description I gave it when you start the game. Now it updates it every time. So if you level this move up, which I'm adding in the next devlog, I was gonna get it into this one, but I just couldn't finish. So I'll get that into the next one. But now it will just dynamically display the damage it deals, or the let me find a shield. The amount of damage you block. So that's that. The biggest addition this week probably would have to be this. We have added shops. As you can see, there's that rectangle there. That's the boundaries you have to, and that won't be here later. That's just for testing. That's the area that you have to be in to be able to interact with the shop. So you can be just a bit in, but you're inside of it. At least your collision area is inside of it, so you're good. So if you're here, there's no visual indicator, but you can press Q. And yeah, it opens up the shop GUI. I guess I would have to say it's pretty polished. Probably not amazing, but it's pretty good, I guess. So you pretty much go over an item. If it's not too expensive, the money you have, then you can buy it. You can close it. So see, if this one's $300, so I can't buy it, so the buy button disappears. But I can pretty much buy them. Takes away the price. If I don't have enough money, it disappears. So that's that. Yeah, they ignore that, please. It's really annoying. But yeah, pretty much that comes up. Remember that the reason that there's only 8 and 1 is because I fed it all to the dragon. So that is that. One little thing, other than that, is just a little tweak. You may have noticed that when I open this up, the coin isn't here anymore. That's because the inventory now renders above the coin. So that was just an annoying little fix that I made. And then there's also another pretty darn cool thing, which isn't in the game yet, so I have to switch to it in the code, so I will be right back. 1, 2, 3, teleport! And here we are. Whoa, what is this? Believe it or not, this is pretty much the start of boat travel. So, in Brevity, there's gonna be the ability to travel by boat, and to get to new islands, to progress in the story, of course, you're gonna need to travel via boat. Now, you can fast travel once you get to a new island by just teleporting, like I just did. No. But to get to a new island, you're gonna have to go via boat. So that just adds a feature of exploration to the game. As well as there's gonna be merch boats that come along your path, and they have shops and stuff like that. And then there's also gonna be like treasure islands that give you, of course, treasure and supplies. So, anyways, these black dots here, by the way, are going to be waves. They're only to signify that you're moving. If they're not there, it doesn't appear like you're moving. Like, as you can see, it doesn't look like I'm moving. But with these here, it does look like I'm moving. As you may have already noticed, working rotation. Cool. And the further your mouse is away from your character guy, the faster you travel. Now, these speeds are gonna have to be tweaked. Maybe even like the ability, because if you go like this, since your screen isn't as big, you won't go as fast. If you put it all the way over here, then like you can go faster in the X direction than in the Y direction. I'll see if I can fix that. But yeah, I think that is it for this week's Brevity Devlog. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to check back next week for more awesome Brevity content, as well as checking out other videos on the channel to see what else I have. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time.